Repairify Remote Services allows you to utilize OE tools remotely to access secure gateways, program modules, and complete complex repairs with ease. It also helps to reduce key-to-key times, receive a clear report, keep repairs in-house, say goodbye to subcontractors and main dealers. And due to our global arrangement, all work is covered by Repairify's warranty. The remote services offered by Repairify cover all main manufacturers and models of vehicle. So, how does it work? Plug your Aztec device into the OBD port of the vehicle and ensure that the battery support unit is connected. Log into the portal on your device using your whole serial number and the last 4 digits as your password. Go to New Request and fill in the details of the vehicle. Use the VIN lookup to populate the make and model. The Repairify Remote Technician will be assigned to your ticket and will chat with you to let you know the progress. They will then connect a tool in our data center to the vehicle over the air and complete the activity remotely. The outcome of the original manufacturer scan through remote services will generate an automated report which will be sent to your designated email address. All of this provides insurers, glass companies, body shops, and service and mechanical shops with peace of mind.